I make these zucchinis all the time. A practical and delicious dinner option. The first step is to get a nice fresh zucchini. Now, let's grate the zucchini. You can use the coarse side of the grater to give it a nice texture. After grating the zucchini, add a teaspoon of salt. Mix well so the salt spreads evenly. The result is amazing. You're going to love making this at home too. Here's the secret. With your hands, squeeze out all the water from the zucchini. After squeezing, transfer everything to another bowl. Now, add 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of breadcrumbs, a teaspoon of oregano, 60 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 1 egg. Mix everything very well until all the ingredients are completely incorporated. Let me know if you're a fan of zucchini recipes, because I'm passionate about creating amazing dishes with this versatile and healthy ingredient. Zucchini is perfect for creating quick, delicious, and flavorful options. And I'd love to know if you also enjoy using this wonderful vegetable in your daily recipes. I have plenty of ideas that will definitely surprise you. Now, the fun part. Let's shape small balls with the mixture. They don't have to be perfect. The important thing is that they are fluffy and tasty. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. Place the balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to make it easier to remove them after baking. This combination of ingredients is simply divine, and I can guarantee that once you try this recipe, you'll fall in love with the explosion of flavors and the incredibly light and soft texture of these delicious zucchini balls. Now place the baking sheet in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Let the balls brown nicely so they're crispy on the outside and deliciously soft on the inside. And that's it. Our zucchini balls recipe is ready to be served. You can't go wrong. It's practical, tasty, and super nutritious. Serve it with whatever you like, such as a salad or even some freshly made rice. A quick, delicious, and super practical meal for the weekend. And when you make this delicious dish at home, come back and let me know how it turned out. I'm sure it will win everyone over. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next recipe.